Hey there! I just want to share with you something that makes me happy. So I'm going to show you right now. Well, I was going to. Okay, yeah. This little rock thing is like, it only gets water in it when it rains, and so that's like my favorite thing to do is come after the rain and just like hang out by the water. I don't know if you can hear it, but like there's like 4 different little spots where there's like a tiny waterfall, and it's just this wonderful little sound. So I'm gonna hang out with my tree here. It's like the perfect little armrest. And just like enjoy for a little bit. See you later.